Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2017 Hino 155 14.5 GVW truck. Before we jump into that walk around, I want to make sure you hit the subscribe button and that notification bell, so every time we put new equipment online you'll be notified and you can take a look at it. This particular truck is a 2017 Hino 155. It's a Vanscaper. It's got a van body with the landscape ramps on the back. We brought this truck in, we did a 150 point check, we run it through the service, body shop. Any discrepancies that were found were fixed. And on top of that 150 point check, we've done the engine oil, the oil filter, fuel and air filters have been done. And this truck is pre-qualified for the AGWS warranty. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As with all the low cab Ford trucks, plenty of places to get a hold of to get up in here. We've got a suspension seat for the driver. We got 2-person bench seats, so you can have a crew of 3 in here. With all the cab overs, you got great outward visibility and very good upward visibility. And the same truck with the conventional, with the same body, this truck has a smaller footprint, so it's a lot more maneuverable. This truck's got the AM/FM CD radio in it. We have got air conditioning with cruise control, and another nice feature this truck has is the big mirrors on the doors are controlled with the remote control right here, so they can control the big mirrors, which is a nice safety option for while they're going down the road. And even though this was a 2017 year model truck, you can look at it, see it's very well taken care of, very nice to get your guys in to start making you money with. Let's take a look at the business end of the truck real quick. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but Hino is Toyota's commercial truck. So when you buy Hino, you're getting Toyota's dependability and reliability that they're known for worldwide. A lot of times when you start looking at van bodies, they're all beat up, sides are got holes in them, corner caps knocked out. This truck is really in good shape. It's got good rubber on it. Like I said, we come back here to the back. It's got a landscape ramps on the back of it. We got one down, one up, so you can see that you can split them or put them both down at the same time if you need to. This is a 16-foot, 85 tall, 96 wide van body. We went ahead and left the shelf in the front that the customer before had. It's got weed eater racks in it, rake and shovel racks in it. It's got a dome light in it, laminated wood floor still in really good shape, full plywood side, so you don't have to worry about anything going out the side. And a nice roll-up rear door you can pull down and lock to keep your equipment safe. Here at Industrial Power, a lot of our customers just think about box trucks, moving trucks. We also have the vocational trucks like this 16-foot Vanscaper with landscape ramps. We've got open body landscape too, and other different vocational trucks, flatbeds, so forth. So we said we've got a really nice 2017 Hino 155 14.5 GVW, fully serviced, pre-qualified for that AGWS warranty, so you can buy this truck, get on the road knowing that you're backed. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell on our YouTube channel, so every time we put new equipment on, you'll be notified and you can check it out. Stick with us for a second. We're going to tilt the cab on this truck, start it up, and give you a little more intimate walk around. And as always, we appreciate your time.